Pozdrav, dragi moji maketari, which means in Serbian, greetings my dear modelers, and welcome to channel Harikejn. As you can see from the headline, I'll be talking about update of my channel.
So, let's begin. I bought me from Hasegawa an F15 eagle in scale such as 1/48, as you can see. Then I bought me from Zvezda a Sukhoi Su-50 or T-50 plane in scale such as 1/72, as you can see. Also from Zvezda I have bought me a Sukhoi Su-37 in scale such as 1/72. Then I bought me from Condor a MiG-29 UB in scale such as 1/72. Then I bought me from Hobby a MiG-29 9-12 Fulcrum A in scale such as 1/72. Then I bought me from Hobbycraft a P-40 Tiger Shark in scale such as 1/48, as you can see. Then I bought me from Tamiya a Messerschmitt Bf-109E3 in scale such as 1/48. Then also from Tamiya I bought me a Supermarine Spitfire Mark V in scale such as 1/48, as you can see. Then I bought me from Litaki or Itaki, not so sure how it's read this, a J22 Oro. Oro means eagle. The model kit is in scale such as 1/72, as you can see. Then I bought me from Hobby Boss a Mi-8 or optionally Mi-17 helicopter in scale such as 1/72, as you can see. And also, as you can see, these model kits. Moving on to other model kits. I have bought me from Yumo a G4 Super Galep or Super Seagull in scale such as 1/72. Let me just say that this model kit is very rare to be found here in Balkan Peninsula. Not so sure why. Also, I could be wrong about this information. Then I have bought me from Cooperativa, or not so sure how it's read this, Bristol Blenningham MK1 or optional MK1F bomber in scale such as 1/72. As you can see, I have hidden the markings, since those are the markings of the Finnish Air Force during the Second World War or World War II, call it whatever you want to call it. And I hidden them because some of you might find them disturbing. That's why I have covered them. Then I bought me from Academy a P-40 MN Warhawk in 1/72 scale, as you can see. Then I bought me from Trumpeter a ZIL 157 Soviet fuel truck in scale such as 1/72. My last assembly, currently last to be precise, was also a ZIL 157 lorry. Although it wasn't the Soviet fuel truck, it was just a truck. If you haven't seen the video, I'll put the link down below so you can watch it if you haven't seen that video or if you are perhaps new to my channel. Then, moving on, I have also bought me from Harikejn a Soko G2 Galeb in 1/72 scale. This means Hawk, G2A, Seagull, and you can also see it's from Leaf here. I did mention this airplane in the unboxing video of Soko J21 Yastreb. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link down below so you can watch it. Let me just say that this airplane, or should I better say, this type of airplane is also in possession of one Hollywood star such as John Travolta. Then I have bought me from Airfix a Gazelle helicopter, as you can see. Also, you can see this Airfix helicopter is from 1973, as you can see. And these are the model kits that I have bought so far. Sorry about this sound that you hear when moving the mobile camera, but so far those are the model kits bought. In the meanwhile, I bought me 2 additional model kits, and that is from Litaki and J22 Eagle in scale such as 1/72. This is supposed to be read as Litaki and it's not Itaki. That's what I have discovered in the meanwhile. As you can see, this is a twin-seated jet plane. Then I bought me from Tamiya a Mitsubishi A6 M5C Zero Fighter in scale such as 1/48, as you can see. Then I also have my favorite part of showing things, and that is showing you the decals. And besides showing you that, I'll also show you the 2 additional things. I have a solar rotating stand, and I have shown it you in the assembly of ZIL 157 lorry. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link down below so you can watch it if you haven't seen that video, or if you are new to my channel. Also, I bought me a MiG-29 in scale such as 1/72 from Hasegawa with Yugoslav markings, as you can see. I received that model kit from users such as stevethefish.net. stevethefish.net, thank you very much for sending me this model kit. Now, let me just move this thing and this thing, and then I'll show you the decals. We'll start with these decals. These are the Messers in scale such as 1/48. and these are the masters with Yugoslav markings. There you will see the decals and what colors should be used when painting the model kit. Then we have these medium range bombers such as Dornier, Savoia Machete and Bristol bombers, since those two decals are same. But we'll start with this one. There you and forgot to mention that they are in 1/72 scale. Then let me just say, there you will see the paint guiding and also the decals. As you can see, then we have the Birmingham Bristol bomber in scale such as 1/72 that were used before World War II, the outbreak of World War II, and also during the World War II in Yugoslavia. There you can see also the numbers and optional painting on the model kit. Then we have, these are in 1/72 scale, I forgot to mention. And this is the similar thing, only difference is it's in 1/48 scale. Just to open the bag to show you. There you can see the, I wouldn't say same thing, but I would rather say similar thing. As you can see, then we have the Spitfires in 1/72 scale. Just a moment to open the bag to show you. There you will see how they look like, these decals, and also you will see the color guides here, as you can see. Then we have in 1/48 the planes such as Fiat, IL-2, Ju-87 and Spitfire. Just a moment to open the bag. There you can see how they look like, these paint streams, and here are these decals, as you can see them, and also the color guide here. Just a moment, and showing you two decals, sorry, these decals. These are the roundels of the Yugoslav Air Force insignia in scale such as 1/48, just like also these decals, as you can see. I have forgotten to mention that I have bought these two decals when I was at the hobby show in Novi Sad. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link down below so you can watch it. And I bought me also a Gazelle helicopter decals of the Yugoslav Air Force, I mean. And you can see it's 1/72 scale, and also optional of the three air forces of Socialistic Federative Republic of Yugoslavia, and also of Serbian Air Force, as you can see, and also a color guide for the mentioned Gazelle helicopter. And these are things that I have bought me for now.